I have always found that you really need to do what you like doing. And after being involved in bath remodeling for 10 or 15 years, I never wanted to leave the industry. I mean, I really like the customers, I like the product, I like what we do. And owning a franchise was the next logical step. People don't realize how important it is to have a system when you're running a business. And we paid what I like to call the dumb tax when I first got into the business, which is getting into something you don't know what you're doing yet, having no system, and then finding out afterwards how much you lost. And going through this again, I wanted to make sure that the systems were already in place. So that's what you get when you buy a franchise, is the upfront work's been done for you. Now it's a matter of running the model, and you should succeed. I don't really like working for other people. When you work for other people, you grow their business, and if you do your job right, you grow their business to the point that they can sell it, and then they sell it and you're left on the side of the road. A lot of the times our new franchisees are people who were left on the side of the road by large corporate America. And if you're going to put the effort into a job, and you're going to put, the kind of effort that I like putting into a job, then you might as well own it too and realize some of the profits or the eventual sale, or more than just a working wage. If you're looking to purchase a franchise, you want to make sure that you get into a situation that fits your personality. I would suggest that people really do their research, ask the right questions, talk to everybody they can. In our case, talk to me multiple times, because you don't want to get into something and then find out 6 months later it was the wrong choice, and neither do we. From the brand president point of view, I want people to succeed. Don't do it just for money. Do it because you like doing it, and pick something that you're going to like doing. What has contributed to the success of our location has been following the systems. By following the system, being willing to take the risks of adding a little bit more money to marketing, or take the risk on a van or an asset that you may need, because you trust the system, you end up growing, and we see no end to our growth. I start every training course off by giving everyone my phone number again, even though they already have it. And I say, if you don't feel like you're bothering me, you're not calling me enough. And those who take advantage of that, those who call for every little thing, so that we end up going over it again and again and again until you know the systems as well as I know the systems, are the ones that sit at the top of our leaderboard, and are happy franchisees who actually have the dream they want. With the products we've put together, we're able to do let's say a shower area in a day or two, which is quite a bit faster and more efficient than the industry standard, if there is one, of traditional bath remodeling. So to be able to walk into someone's house at 9 o'clock in the morning, and when at 4 o'clock in the afternoon or noon the next day, invite the customer into the bathroom and see the look on their face of how happy they are, that it might be they can finally take a shower, or it might be they've been living with this particular situation for years, and I can finally feel comfortable in the morning when I wake up and get in here. It makes me feel good, because I know the service we're giving customers is valuable. Our customers love it, and seeing happy people makes me happy. It's one of the reasons I still like installing. Going out and putting a job in and seeing the look on their face when we're done. We get hugs from customers when we're finished with a project, and that makes you feel good when you come home.